Woodpeckers are nature's showstoppers, and they are nature's lively drummers, known for their vibrant colors and impressive drumming skills and quirky traits. Check out these incredible facts that will amaze and entertain. Number 1. Woodpeckers peck at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour without concussion thanks to a high-tech shock-absorbing skull and brain cushioning. Number 2. Their tongues can extend up to 4 inches past their beaks and wrap around their skulls, perfect for reaching insects deep within tree bark. Number 3. Extreme balance. Woodpeckers use their stiff tail feathers as a tripod, allowing them to drum on trees while staying perfectly balanced. Number 4. Drumming symphony. Their drumming serves multiple purposes, attracting mates, marking territory, and communicating with other woodpeckers. Number 5. Versatile nesting. Woodpeckers adapt by nesting in a range of locations, from tree trunks to urban structures like telephone poles and buildings.